Ahead of the convention's kickoff, President Trump put pressure on the U.S. Food and Drug Administration to authorize the use of donated blood plasma to treat COVID-19 patients. Trump accused the agency of stalling its approval. But as Eric Sorensen reports, critics say the program is going forward before large-scale trials have even been completed.
John Keating had COVID-19. Now he's donating his blood plasma to help others who are infected. It's one of the most promising treatments for COVID-19, antibodies that can neutralize the virus. U.S. President Trump hailed the Food and Drug Administration and his own speed in authorizing it.
A more traditional administration where they would have taken years to come up with this stuff.
The approval came just a day after Trump suggested the FDA was conspiring to hold up the treatment, tweeting, "Obviously, they are hoping to delay the answer until after November 3rd, Election Day." The FDA commissioner defends the sudden authorization, saying early tests show a 35% improvement in survival.
Now we're waiting for more data, but this clearly meets the criteria that we've established for emergency use authorization.
But some specialists worry whether science is being bent to the will of politics.
There is a lot of non-science influence that I'm seeing, whether it's press releases, whether it's political pressure. When you have a new treatment, you want to put it through rigorous scientific testing before you are using it on broad groups of people.
Convalescent plasma has been used for 100 years. It works like this. Patients who've recovered from COVID-19 have developed a lot of antibodies, proteins to fight the virus. Transfusing their blood plasma can help current COVID victims stave off the worst effects. But small trials haven't necessarily identified all adverse effects or whether immunity will actually hold. The World Health Organization says proper large-scale tests aren't finished, so results aren't conclusive.
The trials have been relatively small, and at the moment it's still very low-quality evidence.
If you've fully recovered from COVID-19, consider donating plasma.
But the U.S. FDA is now encouraging recovered COVID-19 patients to donate. And after his experience, John Keating is happy to do so.
We all just need to do what we can to get through this. And if this is my little part to do that, I'll do whatever I can.
The big question is fast-tracking antibody treatment at this point medically justified or politically reckless? Eric Sorensen, Global News, Toronto.